Once upon a time, there was a little girl. Her parents loved her, took care of her, and never let her stay alone in the house. She also had a big white dog. But one day, her parents got an urgent call and they had to go on a trip immediately. They couldn't find anyone to watch the girl. So she had to stay alone in the house. Before they left, they told the girl if she finds anything scary, just pet the dog. And everything will be fine. As they left, the little girl started to cook. But suddenly, she heard a rustling noise from outside. Shh! She got scared. But then, she pet her dog and calmed down. Then she went off to bed. But again, she heard a rustling noise coming from outside. Again, she got very scared. But again, she pet her dog. She went off to bed then. But she wakes up suddenly. She was scared. She tries to pet her dog, but he was not next to her. She calls out for him, but there was just silence in the house. Just silence. She switched on the lights, looked for him, but he was nowhere. She got scared. Then she remembered. She doesn't look for him in the bathroom. She went to the bathroom, slowly opened the door, switched on the light, and what she discovers? Her dog hung in the middle of the bathroom. And there was a bloody writing. What you pet so far was not your dog. And nothing. Oh my god, such a jerk you are. See what you have done to my magazine.
Manisha, please tell me what did Mama say? When will she be back?
Really late.
So what are we doing tonight?
Honey, we are not doing anything tonight. I'm going to watch a horror film and you're going to bed. Cool?
But it's just 9:30.
I've already told mom that I am taking you to the bed and there's no way that you will make it through the film. Cool?
Films? That is a horror film, no? I love horror films. I really love horror films. I won't get scared. I promise. Please let me watch the film.
Yeah, right.
Please?
I saw that. See what you did to my magazine?
But I really got into it. I wasn't scared. I swear I wasn't scared.
Stop bugging me, Kinjal. I told you no. That's it.
Okay, you tell me what I've got to do for you to let me watch the film. Please, you tell me. I won't even be scared. We won't even tell Mama about it. Please, I swear.
Come.
And what now?
Well, you were trying to prove it to me that you wouldn't get scared easily, right? Okay. If you manage to stay here with lights off for 2 minutes, then it will be proved that you're brave enough to watch the film.
Here? In the dark?
Come on, Kinjal. You're old enough to understand there's nothing to be scared of. Okay? I'll be out with the stopwatch. Just 2 minutes. Come on, go to bed. Go.
No, wait. I can do it. I will do it. I can do it.
Then do it. I can't wait for you forever. Don't worry, Kinjal. I'm out with the stopwatch. See you after 2 minutes. Hello? Yeah, mom. Yeah, mom. She went to bed 10 minutes ago. Yeah, mom. I will finish my work of the day. Don't worry, mom. If you will come late, then you will find us sleeping. Yeah, mom. Okay. Bye, mom. Love you. Kinjal? Are you alive? Less than 1 minute to go, Kinjal. Kinjal? Kinjal? You locked the door? Very funny. Now you have to get out of here on your own. Kinjal? I'll tell mom. What are you doing here? Kinjal, come on. Open the door. Kinjal, are you okay?
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time. We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Look what I found. I know. Mom used to wear it.
You are such an idiot, Kinjal. I got so scared. Why did you answer me? I thought of calling up the cops.
Sorry.
Kinjal, please. It was not funny at all. You are such a jerk to do that to me. What happened, by the way?
Well, this was placed in one of the top boxes. I had to pile over some stuff to reach it. Don't worry. I'll place everything at its place. I'll do it.
Never mind. But you should have said something, na?
I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Did I make it? I think I'll get the movie ready. I'll make some popcorn too. Don't worry. It's only 2 minutes.